Alright, this is sprint 4. Real quickly, let's go over the notes left from last time. Here is the ship code for each function that the keyboard manager calls. Keyboard manager has all those if functions. The only problem right now is that I can only put in the keyboard and not the parent input manager. This is due to some weird technicalities with like not recognizing that it's a child or something. I need to go in and figure that out. That is on the to-do list. I have factories and pools set up for each of the critters. The centipede body is working. We'll get to that in a moment. First, the max index is now a variable. So centipede body, it receives commands from the head on where to move. Once the head finishes a movement, it passes it on, and that passes its movement on in a cascading sort of function. Cascading sort of way, not function. So let's try and show you the 3 ways to hit a centipede. If we hit the head, we get a strange offset, which is being looked into, but otherwise it works completely fine. We go for the tail, we get a mushroom, nothing too interesting happens. And then if we go for the middle, we get 2 independently acting centipedes. The rotation seems to be a bit off, but that's because we hit it mid-turn. That's going to have to be worked on. Now if we kill everything else, let's show you the scorpions. Last time they were on random rows for testing. Now I've reverted it to the default, getting a random row. Whenever we exit the game, this is a new error, we get the spider manager throws a error. This is because my old system has the spider respawn on a timer. However, the timer needs only a game object can have a timer. So I had the spider manager as the manager for that timer, but Factory doesn't like playing with the manager nicely, and it doesn't know how to delete it, but it needs to know about it, so I just have to look into this and figure out how to make this work with the new singleton. Finally, because this was not implemented last time, I want to show that poisoned behavior works on the centipede. And as you can see, once it hits a poison mushroom, it falls, and then it comes and then it starts to work. The rotation isn't in yet, but that will be there shortly. And you can die from the centipede as well. And that should be everything.